Alright guys, we got the Paperboy rippers done. We got the rest of the sticker kit in from Reflex. Originally I had only gotten the Paperboy ripper stickers, but now we got the landing gear stickers, the SE headset sticker, and the frame sticker on the bottom. And the way we built this Paperboy ripper, we'll start back here with the gold chain tensioners from SE, gold pegs from SE, gold valve stem from eBay, gold chain, Shadow Conspiracy, 33 tooth profile sprocket, black SE V-Ridge cranks, black and gold Bassett pedals, gold seat post, light kit from eBay, speaker JBL from Amazon, gold bell from Amazon, gold checkered flight donuts. I think I said elite in another video. Those are flights. SC grips, power wing bars, you can see that light's pretty bright. Claim 3,000 lumens. Also Shadow Conspiracy gold nuts, front and rear. Technique brake lever, gold. SC Bikes number plate, decked out stickers, Vans, profile, Shadow, Pedal Power BMX, my local bike store. That's it, guys. All black and gold. Just did 6 miles at Fairmount Park this morning, Memorial Day. So since we're right here, we're just gonna go ahead and do a bike check. I don't got 20 bikes. We got 2 bikes. One single gear, one 10-speed. Got the Fast Ripper as well. All we did to the Fast Ripper was get these Bassett pedals, which I really like a lot. Real comfortable. We got the light kit, same one for Amazon Bell. And eBay valve caps, pegs that came with my classic black, and just threw them on here. So we got the Fast Ripper bike buff. And we got the classic black turned into a Paperboy Ripper. I really like the Paperboy Ripper because of the gears. I could do about almost 11 miles on that. I'm just starting to get back on the bike, so that's pretty good. Because on this bike I can only do about 6 miles with that single gear, but with this one, about to be 45 years old, this helps me. I've been off a bike for a long time, so. One thing I'm not feeling real too much is these tires. The thick slicks. I'm not a big fan of those. I like these Bozaks though, so I think I might just get some Bozaks for my buff and put them on. Just these Bozaks. Comfortable. They don't slide around like these do.